Hello everybody, my name is Janice and I am the owner of Magic Hair Company located in Culver City, California. We are a US based glueless custom wig store and I am the owner. Lately I have been getting a lot of calls and messages about Magic Wig Shop. They have stolen our logo and added wig shop to the end, but that is not me. My name's Janice and I am the owner of Magic Hair Company. We are located in Culver City, California, and we do custom color and we make glueless wigs. So if you have been bamboozled by this Facebook company, I apologize for the confusion. It's not us that have stolen our logo. We are Magic Hair Company, as you can see right here. We have all of these wigs here in store in my Culver City store that I have worked very, very hard for the last 8 years. I've been in business for 10 plus years. This is my logo right here. There's no other additions or anything else to it. So if you have any questions, all of our products are at magichaircompany.com, and that is the only place that I sell my wigs, at magichaircompany.com. And of course here in our Culver City store. So if your wig was not purchased from magichaircompany.com, the wig is unfortunately not from us and you have been scammed by some Facebook company who's located in Canada but speaks Chinese and their website's registered in a different country, but that is not us. This is my logo here and we're located in Culver City, California, but check us out online or in store. We'll see you soon. Bye guys. And if you have already unfortunately been scammed by this company, call PayPal, get your money back. Also report them on Facebook so they will get shut down and can no longer swindle people, especially because they are saying they're Black owned when I don't think that they are. This is my actual business that I have worked very hard for. So please report them and hopefully you guys get your money back. Have a great day. Love you.